Hey everyone, it's Dave. I've got a message on my dashboard saying I have a left rear bulb out. And so the bulb that is out is this one here in the far corner over on the driver's side. So how the heck do I replace that bulb? Well, let's find out. Alright, the bulbs in this whole lens housing comes out of the vehicle, and the bulbs plug into this housing. You can't get in there from inside or underneath. So the way to get to it is you got this little toe panel. I'm going to pop that off. Let's see, I thought that was for like a tow hook. It is not. So that comes off. And now there's a screw, a Phillips screw in here. Let me see if I can show you where that is. Alright, so now you've got that little panel off. You're going to get down low and you're going to have to look upward. And when you do, see that little Phillips screw right there? That Phillips screw is secured into the lens housing. You need to loosen that. It won't fall. You don't have to worry about catching it. It'll stay in the housing. Loosen it all the way, and then the lens will be ready to come out. So let's get that screw loose. Alright, you're going to have to get low and look up. And there's the screw. Okay, so I'm spinning it now, and it's completely loosened out of what it's being screwed into. And that's the only thing holding this lens in. So let's now get the lens out. Right now I'm going to take a plastic pry tool and just get behind the lens here. And out it comes. You've got one connector. Let me get a flat blade screwdriver to disconnect that connector, and then we can bring that lens. Or you can just replace it from here. Let's see if we can just replace it from here. Let's turn the lights on and see if that thing actually works or not. Alright, let me check this with the meter. It doesn't look to be blown, but let me run a continuity test through this and see if it's actually bad. Because when this thing started to go out, I could go over here and bang on this and it'd come back to life. So let me check. Actually, my bad. The one that's actually out is not this one, but it's this one over here. Oh yeah, that looks like there was a problem here somewhere. That thing looks blown. Alright, found another little bulb in my stash. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, when you go to reinstall this lens, you've got a little notch right here in the car bumper, and you've got this little tab here on the lens, and that tab goes in there, and then you slide the whole thing in place, and then that one screw, I need to move it over a little bit more than that. Like that. And now go back and let's retighten that screw. Alright, now I got the lens back in position. I gotta find this screw again and just retighten it. And you gotta get down low. don't go crazy. It's just plastic. That's tight. And now we'll pop this cover on. We've got 2 notches down the bottom. These 2 tabs go into. And then snap it in place. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that little tidbit. If you like that and you want some more, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.